Is being a work from home appointment setter easy? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. In this video, we talking about working from home as an appointment setter. Now, like I've been preaching about like how appointment setting jobs are some of the best work from home jobs out there. But, all right, is it easy? Is it easy to be an appointment setter? So if you don't know what an appointment setter is, basically an appointment setter is the middleman between a lead, right, for a company and the actual sales closer for that company. So like I always give the example of like, imagine you being on Facebook and you see like an ad pop up for like a mentor program, right? And you put in your email or something, and somebody reaches out to you and be like, hey, Susan, I just seen you signed up for our newsletter or our course or whatever. Hey, what's going on? You talking to an appointment setter, right? Their job is to get you kind of motivated to get on a sales call, right? To close the deal. That's what appointment setters do. Now, depending on what company you're with, depending on like their protocol, there's different variations of how appointment setters work. But ultimately, an appointment setter job is to get a lead from nowhere to the sales closer. And that's actually what I do with a couple of companies. So you're probably thinking that's nice and all, but I want some easy shit to do from home. Is appointment setting easy work? And the answer is, it should be. Whenever you become an appointment setter, whether it be for a company or you're doing it independently, like you're gonna have your strategy, right? You're gonna have your messaging style. You're gonna have your script down, all right? And it might take a little bit of time to kind of, get used to talking to people and kind of going off of what they say and know what to say back. But eventually you get into your own flow, right? Eventually you have your own responses and you can just flow in conversations. Now, if you've never done appointment setting before, obviously, the first couple weeks is kind of like, oh my God, they said this, I got to respond back. And what should I say here? And how, things like that. But you will get used to it. You'll develop your own style and your own flow, and you will ultimately get more and more comfortable with your job. And once you get to that point, it's all good, baby. Like, honestly, all you're doing is talking to people as an appointment setter. You know what I'm saying? You're literally just messaging people. And the cool thing is, especially about the companies that I'm with, like, even though it's a work from home type job, like I be doing this, like messaging people like when I'm gone, like when I'm out. I remember I was actually trying to book an appointment. I was at the park with the wife and a dog. You know what I'm saying? We was at the park walking around, and I'm messaging, right? Trying to do what I do. All right. So you can ultimately be doing this, from anywhere. If you got your phone, you got a laptop, or if you're at the house, whatever. But like, to me, it is easy. But just like with anything, you do have to learn it, and you have to be willing to put in some effort with actually getting the job and being consistent with the job. Now, if you're doing something for a company where you're on the schedule, then obviously you need to, be available for those hours and do what you do. But when you're doing it independently, you have to be self-motivated. You have to create like your own schedule to hit the numbers that you want to hit, right? To book appointments. But ultimately, appointment setting is just talking to people via Messenger. That's it. Whether it be, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, that's all it is. So if you are somebody who is looking for a work from home job opportunity or work from anywhere opportunity, and you can message people and engage with people, you definitely can be an appointment setter.